I'm still amazed at how effective this natural hair growth recipe is after adding it to my hair care regimen. And today I'm going to spill all the tea to the tea. And it's going to be a lot of tea that is going to be spilled. So make sure you grab your napkins. When I did my big chop, natural ingredients and recipes like these have helped me grow my hair much faster, thicker, and more beautiful. And that is what I do on this channel. I share all the secret hair growth recipes here. And today is one of them. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video if you really want to learn how to do this. Without further ado, let's do this. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. So this is one of my favorite natural ingredients when it comes to hair growth. The truth is, most of us have this in our kitchens, but we keep sleeping on it. But today, I'm going to tell you all about it. Before getting into this, I would love for you to show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would love for you to join us by subscribing and clicking on the bell. And when you do click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my videos. So one of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is the curry leaves. Curry leaves are really popular in India. They use it a lot when it comes to their hair growth regimen. And I love it because it's very affordable, it does the work and really help you grow your hair much faster. I'm going to tell you all about it, so make sure you're not skipping any part of this video. Let me move on to my next ingredient. I'm also going to add rosemary herbs to my hair growth recipe today. You all know rosemary is the bomb. It has so many great benefits when it comes to natural hair growth. It's going to help prevent hair thinning, hair loss, hair fall, and also treat your scalp and help your scalp to grow new healthy hair. Rosemary is an amazing natural ingredient for hair growth that you shouldn't be sleeping on. It is very effective when it comes to hair growth. So if you haven't been adding it to your hair growth regimen, make sure to add it to it now. So after putting the two together, I put it in a blender and blended it away like no one's business. You do not need it to be a smooth consistency, just this way is fine. After having the two together like so, I'm going to add my curry oil. Today I'm going to use my coconut oil. I love using coconut oil because it is lightweight and is easily penetrated into your hair strands to help prevent hair breakages, hair loss, hair fall, hair thinning, or any damages that might be caused to your hair. It also treats your scalp of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and any scalp issues that you might be having. This will give way to new healthy hair growth. So after adding my coconut oil to my saucepan, I'm going to add my two herbs and I'm going to put it on the stove and fry it on a very low heat. You all know coconut oil is really lightweight, so make sure you are frying this on a very low heat because you do not want to burn your ingredients. Make sure to stay with your recipe and make sure to give it a stir every now and then. Then after 10 minutes, you're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. And y'all, if you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it because I really enjoyed filming it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you'll be notified. And when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my videos. So the next thing I'm going to add is the fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is the mother of all seeds. It's an amazing natural ingredient. It does the job when it comes to hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of protein and iron, and these two are very important when it comes to hair growth. It is strengthen your hair, condition your hair, and prevent your hair from breaking. When fenugreek seeds are added to your hair care regimen, it is going to condition your hair, makes it easy for you to manage your hair, and promote faster hair growth. So I added my fenugreek seeds to my saucepan and I put it on the stove for about 10 minutes. I'm going to fry this on a very low heat. I do not want to burn my fenugreek seed. I just want it to turn golden brown, just like so. Then after that, I'm going to set it off the fire and allow it to cool down. So this is my oil. It is all cooled down and it's ready to be strained. So at this point, I'm just going to grab my bowl and my strainer and I'm going to strain my oil out. This oil by itself is really effective when it comes to hair loss. So guys, make sure you try this recipe, especially if you're someone suffering from hair loss. So at this time, I'm going to strain it a second time to make sure to get rid of all those little particles that you can see now. You do not want those in your hair. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of the year picking out these things from your hair, and I don't want that for you. So make sure whenever you strain your recipes and you still see some particles in it, you are using a cheesecloth, paper towel, or anything with tiny holes to strain it the second time. And look at that yummy oil, guys. I just love this oil. It really does the job. So at this point, I'm going to add my fenugreek seeds to it. This was the fenugreek seed that I fried, and this is how it's looking now. Added about 2 tablespoons to it, and I'm going to leave these fenugreek seeds sitting in the oil. I'm not going to strain it. As long as the oil is going to last, I'm also going to leave this fenugreek seeds in it. The good thing is the fenugreek seeds are going to settle at the bottom, so whenever you're ready to use your oil, you do not have to worry about the fenugreek seeds getting in your way. I'm also going to add my essential oil, which is the lavender oil. Aside its fragrance, it is also going to add some benefits to my recipe. It's going to help treat my scalp and also help boost new hair growth. This is what I'm having now, and I just love it. Leaving the fenugreek seeds in it like so is going to help it to infuse more into the oil and makes it even more effective. Let me show you how to use this recipe. There are so many ways that you can use this recipe. When you have your hair braided and you have access to your scalp, you can just put the oil to your scalp and massage it in. If you're thinning out, if you're balding, or if you're losing any part of your hair, just apply this oil in there and massage it. Do not forget your edges. You know our edges turns to thin out and it is very fragile. So whenever you apply oils, do not forget to apply it to your edges, and after that massage it in. You can also use this oil to seal in moisture in your hair after your wash days. You can also use it as a hot oil treatment. Just warm up some of the oil and massage it into your hair. Leave it in your hair for about 45 minutes and rinse it out. So you can leave this oil as a leave-in or as a rinse out. The curry leaves in this recipe makes it very effective because it is a good source of protein. It has antioxidant properties as well as beta carotene. This altogether will help strengthen your hair fiber to prevent your hair from breaking or any hair fall. And that is why when you're someone balding suffering from alopecia, this should be your go-to recipe because it's going to help prevent hair loss, and it's also going to help you grow your hair much faster. It is also going to treat your scalp of dandruff, bacteria, or anything that can hinder hair growth. So it is very important you add this hair care regimen to your hair growth recipe. And let me hear from the comment section what you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you really enjoyed watching it. If you haven't done so already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And hey, before leaving, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.